How to share screen on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share screen on Zoom mobile. First thing we're gonna do is to go to Zoom, and now you need to click this icon here, meet and chat, and then just click this icon, share screen. Click on it, and not here, click on this one. And now, as you see, all you need to do is just type your any sharing key or meeting ID, and then click OK. And that's how share screen on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.